There's been a little bit of drama on my channel about whether my KN Sudco carburetor is real or not, which I was concerned about. So I went and checked it out. Everything has the proper KN labels on it. The float has the proper H7 indentation. A fake carburetor, and I didn't know they made these fake, but I guess they make everything fake, will not have, it will have a Sudco on one side of the bowl, along with their, you can see the red mark right there. It had red, blue, and green, I don't know, I've used it for a while. But on the other side, they won't have this. Fake one will not have motorcycle race use only. Also, what I've noticed on this carburetor is the fit and the finish. I have 7 or 8 carburetors. A lot of them are actually KN knockoffs. And the casting on this carburetor is exceptional. It's really well done. Everything checks out, and to put all this to rest, this is the slide. The slide is all chromed. It's beautifully chromed. Okay, this is better than any copy slide that I've seen. It's just really well done. And then when I was searching through the carb, I even found a note of authenticity. Now I want to show you this, to put everything to rest, to let you know that this is a real Sudco carburetor. I was just happened to be looking down there, and there, look at that. There's a certificate in here. Let's see, what's that say? It says, this is a genuine KN carburetor. Fuck off. EC, signed the KN Corporation. Thank you.